Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I got some good news and I got some bad news. And let's start with the good news. We got some new parts. We got a GRIMMSPEED downpipe. Got a lower grill. Got some TGV Deletes. And we got an air oil separator, Cobb, for now. Still waiting on a couple parts. I got a bypass valve and an adapter for that. And I got a carbon front grille coming from BurnZ Auto. So I got a lot of good content coming for you guys. So if you aren't subscribed, please subscribe. So, as most of you know, I have the SUBISPEED tail lights and the V2 sequential headlights. Well, today, or yesterday rather, I found condensation. And these aren't supposed to have condensation. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it on the camera here. But there's a bunch of condensation in there. It's very hard to see on this camera, but it's very easy to see. These weren't supposed to have condensation. They said they fixed the condensation. I've had these for 15 months, just out of warranty. They only had a year warranty. So now I'm stuck with them. So if anybody has any good ideas, oh, there we go. You can see it now. If anybody has any ideas on what I could do without reopening and sealing them, I'd greatly appreciate it. This is just terrible. I'm so upset. I'm sick. Ugh. I really don't want this to happen to you guys, so make sure you do your research before you buy these. I've had them for 15 months, just out of warranty. Yesterday these looked a lot worse. They look a little bit better today, thankfully. So yeah, I'm pretty bummed out about that, but I'll get through it. I'm pretty excited with all the new parts I got coming, so stay tuned for that. The tail lights, they're still in great condition. No condensation whatsoever. It's just this front light for now. This side over here is perfect. Nothing in there yet. Now I have to be worried about this side. Alright guys, so I just wanted to make a quick little video and show you all the condensation I now have in my driver's side SUBISPEED V2 sequential headlight. Terrible. I'm not going to keep going on about it. I just wanted to make a quick video for you guys because I know a lot of people are interested in these headlights, and for the price they are, they should not have any condensation in it whatsoever. It's just out of warranty too, so there's nothing I can do about it. So if anybody has any good suggestions of what I could do without opening them, I would really prefer not to have to open them, and I really want to keep them. I'll probably be installing the downpipe and the TGV Deletes in a couple weeks. First I'm going to be installing the front grills, and I got a TIAL recirculating valve, like a blow-off valve, but it's recirculating. It makes a little bit of flutter, so that's going to be pretty cool. I'm happy about that. I should have that Monday, so hopefully sometime next week I'll have that video for you guys. So stay tuned. Catch you on the next one.